642. So looking at the engine, now when we load in a level design, if there is no doorway, there is also no hallway. So we got this nice horizontal level design here. It's not completely finished yet. Let's go into the code that is making sure that there's no hallway here, etc., right? So no doorway, no hallway. So the source code is right here. Let's review the 642 deltas. So in file 196, within the high-level load on bottom section, within our loader function that takes RGBA 196 and loads it into Pix2048, Pix2048 being our in-game memory. Within this function, we're going to reference this formula right here, this door index formula that stores whether or not we have a door on a certain wall of a certain room. So we're going to go down a little bit further, and this is our drug tunnel loop that loops through every single room, every single wall, and the two walls of the tunnel connecting these walls, right? We have these four walls, but then we have the walls of the tunnel that connects adjacent rooms. So right here, if there is no doorway, there is no hallway. So we're going to get the door index in our lookup table, and then we're going to use that door index here to get whether or not we have a door. So has door equals door has. Yes, that's a little bit awkward. Maybe I'll refactor that in the future. And if we don't have a door, we're going to continue. We're not going to do anything down here because all of this code down here generates the hallway from one room to another. But if there's no, if there's a wall blocking us off, then we don't want to generate a hallway because then that looks fucking stupid, right? Now, you might notice that this is kind of inefficient, right? Where we have this triply nested loop, but this logic only uses these two variables, so technically this logic could go between here and here, but we write it this way because it's much easier to read, and sometimes we want to optimize for readability rather than efficiency, which is what we're doing here. So that's it. So here's what we did in this video, and if you want a longer explanation, go here to Ninja Coder. You're on the fast playlist on Kanji Coder. Source code is here. Ways to get a hold of me are here. So like, subscribe, send money in the mail. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine from complete fucking scratch in JavaScript using a C99 data-oriented design style. It's a fully destructible fractal geometry proximity mind game. Like and subscribe.